PLLA or polyl-lactic acid is biocompatible and biodegradable substance. It is not a traditional filler but rather a collagen-stimulating treatment. On the other hand, hyaluronic acid fillers provide immediate value, hydration, and contouring to the skin, while hyaluronic acid fillers instantly flood the skin by attracting water molecules. PLLA works gradually. Over weeks, it boosts your skin's collagen production, leading to subtle and natural-looking results. This means that while HA fillers give immediate results, PLLA requires several sessions to see full effects. PLLA is typically used for larger areas like the cheeks and temples to restore value, while hyaluronic acid fillers can refine lacy regions like lids and under the eyes. In terms of longevity, PLLA effects can last up to 2 years after the full treatment plan, while hyaluronic acid fillers usually last around 6 to 12 months. In total, choosing between PLLA and hyaluronic acid fillers really depends on your goals. If you want immediate results, go for hyaluronic acid fillers. If you prefer gradual improvements that last longer, PLLA might be your best bet. Guangzhou AOMA Biological Technology Co. Limited is one of the first 10 factories to produce sodium hyaluronic gel in the world, which also has processed 453 brands worldwide. OEM services are available for you.